Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. So we are celebrating My First Wig's 4th anniversary. You guys know I've been working with them for probably about as long as I've been on YouTube, but this is going to be their new and improved wig. Of course, it does actually comes with an adjustable band as normal. It actually has an additional adjustable band, which looks more like a bra strap. It has 3 clips on the inside, and then they actually put what I guess it would kind of be like a wig cap already attached to the actual inside of the wig, so you actually don't need one. You guys know that I usually do more than one wig video in a day, so yeah, I already have my wig cap on, but I promise you it's completely unnecessary. It already has that like skin base on the inside, which makes it perfect. This is literally a glueless unit. Do you guys see how tight it is on my scalp? Like, look at that. Literally, cutting this off was like a breeze. You guys can see that the lace is completely transparent, and so I didn't have too much trouble with it at all. The knots, of course, does come bleached, and then like I said, it has that skin-like base on the inside of the actual cap of the wig. It does fit really, really snug, and I believe that I got an average size cap. I will leave all the details down in the description box below as well. And I'm just trimming around my ears just to make sure that they come out, you know, naturally. Sometimes the wig can kind of fit a little weird around the ear area, but just brushing out all the excess hair. And I did notice that the hair did come lightly plucked, but it was not like overly plucked. So I definitely could have gone into this unit just to pluck it out a little bit more, but I decided not to do that. I'm actually not going to talk too much in this video because I kind of want you guys to get a feel for exactly what this looks like from start to finish. So I'm pretty much going to play some music here, and definitely feel free to leave any comments or questions down below in the description box. I'm just going to do a really cute like curl and style type of thing, and that's about it. So this is a good time to go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications if you have not already, and I will talk to you later, babes.